Hi everyone, let's see how to close a call option on Robinhood. Just follow these steps here. Step number one is to access your call option. Open the Robinhood app and navigate to your portfolio section. Then locate specific call option contract you want to close and then tap on the call option to view its details. Second, look for the sell button. Tapping this will bring up the order window. Then you have to find the sell to close. Within the order type options, choose sell to close. This instructs Robinhood that you want to buy back the call option you previously purchased. After that, enter the number of call options. You can only close the exact number of contracts you currently hold. Before you move on, make sure to double check all the orders. This includes the quantity of call contracts you are selling, the order type, market or limit order if applicable, the estimated price you will receive for limit orders, or the current market price for market orders, the total amount you expect to receive from the sale, and so on. Once everything looks accurate, once you check it, confirm the sales. Something to keep in mind means execute it immediately at the current market price. This is the fastest way to close your call option, but may not guarantee the best price. Limit order allows you to set a minimum price you want to receive when selling to close. This gives you more control over the execution price, but may take longer to fill or may not fill at all if the market price doesn't reach your limit price. Just remember, call options give you the right but not the Just remember, call options give you the right but not the obligation to buy a stock at a certain price, strike price by a certain expiration date. By selling to close your call option before expiration, you are giving up this right and closing your position. That's basically it, all you need to know.